Done. Trick. First is what? Find centripetal force, right? And second one, balance vertical force. Okay. We have learned two applications. First one, person is performing a stunt in will of death. And what about second application? Conical pendulum. That is application of centripetal force, right? Next, when a cyclist is making a turn on a horizontal road. Third application. When a cyclist making a turn on a horizontal road. Cyclist is making a turn on horizontal road. Okay. Consider this is turn on a horizontal road. Okay. So there is no banking. Means that road is flat, horizontal. Okay. And that cyclist is turning on that horizontal track. Consider here is the cyclist. Okay. Here is the cyclist. The MG will act in downward direction. Yes or no?
Yes.
And during turning, that cyclist will rotate his body by some angle. Okay. So from vertical position of that cyclist is at angle theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this is nothing but what? Normal reaction. So when you will take component of normal reaction, mg will balanced by n cos theta. And this component will be right centripetal force n sin theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
The n cos theta is equal to mg and n sin theta is equal to centripetal force. So apply that trick. N sin theta is equal to centripetal force mv square by r, equation number 1. And what about second equation? Balance vertical force. Second trick is what? Balance by vertical force. So n cos theta is equal to mg. So in left hand side, trigonometric part is present. So that's why write down n cos theta in left hand side. The n cos theta is equal to mg. Divide both equation. Divide equation 1 by 2. Nn sin theta by cos theta. Very good. Is equal to tan theta. Mass cancel. V square upon Rg. V square upon Rg. Hence, V square is equal to what? RG tan theta. Hence, V is equal to root RG tan theta. Yes or no? Yes. Write down a question. Cyclist is moving with the speed 45 kilometer per hour and takes a circular turn of radius 30 meter. What should be his angle? With the vertical. So that he can turn safely. A cyclist is moving with the speed 45 km per hour and takes a circular turn of radius 30 meter. Radius is given, right? Okay. So whatever data you have, just write down. You have what? Velocity. Okay. So V is equal to 45 kilometer per hour, right? So 45 kilometer per hour. So convert that kilometer per hour into meter per second. So you have to multiply by means 5 upon 18. Don't know? Listen. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. And hour, 1 hour, 3600 second. Is it clear? Just cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 5 ja 2 18 ja. Yes or no? So write down here. Means if you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, so multiply that data by 5 upon 18. So that's why I have multiplied 5 upon 18. Yes or no? 9 2 ja and 9 5 ja. Is it clear? So V is equal to what? 5 5 ja 25. So 25 by 2. Yes or no? Unit is meter per second. Next data. Radius is 30 meter. R is given 30 meter. What should be his angle? Means you have to calculate theta. Yes or no? You know tan theta is equal to what? V square upon RG. So apply that formula. Tan theta is equal to V square upon RG. So first calculate. Put value V square. 25 into 25 upon 4. 2 square is nothing but what? 4. 25, 25, 625. Right? 1, 4 into R. R is 30. And G is 10. Right? 5, 5 ja 25. And 5, 2 ja 10. Is it clear? Yes. Again 5, 5 ja 25. And 5, 6 ja 30. So what you are getting? Tan theta is equal to 5, 5 ja 25 upon 6 2 ja and 12 4 ja 8. 12 4 ja 48. Okay. Hence you can write theta is equal to what? Tan inverse 25 upon 48. Yes or no? Next application. Application number 4. Right? Cyclist is making cyclist is making turn on a rough road. Cyclist is making turn on a rough road. Means on rough road that cyclist will not turn his body by any angle from vertical. Yes or no? So he will go straight, but friction force will act towards the center in that situation. So just consider cyclist is here, right? Mg will act in downward direction, right? And normal reaction will act in upward direction. But what about centripetal force? In this case, just consider, according to that cyclist, radius of that circular path is, means cyclist will make circular path on this track. Yes or no? So radius is r. So whatever force acting towards the center is nothing but what? Centripetal force. But what I told you, centripetal force may be gravitational, electrical, friction, tension, normal reaction. So in this case, centripetal force is nothing but what? Friction force. Right? So write down. Centripetal force is nothing but what? Friction force. So, centripetal force mv square upon r is equal to friction force, right? And you know friction force is value of friction force. Don't know. Friction force is nothing but what? Mu into n. So replace that friction force by mu into n. You can write mv square by r is equal to mu into n. Equation number 1. Next equation, balance vertical force. So n is equal to mg. So n, I should write n is equal to mg or mg is equal to n.
N equal to n.
Why? Actually, write mg is equal to n. Why? Because in equation first, normal reaction is towards right hand side. So try to place normal reaction right hand side in equation 2 also. Yes or no?
Yes.
And a small m mass is present in left hand side. So try to put value of mass in left hand side. Yes or no? So this is equation 2. Divide equation 1 by 2. What you are getting? Mass cancel. Normal reaction cancel. V square upon Rg is equal to mu. Very good. Listen. In this case, if friction force is less than centripetal, then what happens?
Friction force is less than centripetal.
That person can't make circular track. Yes or no?
Yes.
That will skid away from the center. So you can say कि for safety point of view, friction force should be greater or equal to centripetal force. Yes or no?
Yes.
So friction force should be greater or equal to centripetal force. Yes or no?
Yes.
So divide. So V square upon Rg is greater or equal to what? Mu. Sorry, less or equal to mu. ये साइन ऐसे है ना, फ्रिक्शन फोर्स इज ग्रेटर. हाँ, तो V square upon Rg is less or equal to mu. So you can write V square should less or equal to mu R. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hence V should be less or equal to root under mu Rg. So this velocity is minimum or maximum? Why minimum? Should be equal to that much or less. So means this is maximum. What you are saying, this velocity should be equal to root mu Rg or maybe less.
Okay.
So means this is maximum.
Yes.
We are talking about less than that value. So this velocity is maximum. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this velocity is maximum. Means if you want to take turn, your maximum speed should be that much. And for safety point of view, that should be, and your minimum speed equal to root mu bar. Is it clear? Write down V max. तो V max में equality sign मत use करो. Listen. Just write down two equation here. First, because this is maximum and what you have calculated, v is less than or equal to this. So if equality sign hold, then that value will be maximum. Otherwise, remaining value will be less than that value. You can say कि hence v max is equal to root mu r. Yes or no?
Yes.
Using this equation, you can calculate coefficient of friction also, right? Right. Next, we will learn banking of a road. Banking of a road. What is the meaning of banking of road? So, in case of banking of road, during turning, inner edge and outer edge means just draw. This is horizontal surface, right? So, from horizontal surface, that outward side road will be upward by some angle. Okay. So I am drawing a diagram. Consider this diagram. This angle is theta, right? इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Right. Outer edge. This one. Is it clear? So, consider height of that road outer edge is h. Okay. And breadth is b. Then angle of banking, you have to calculate theta. So calculate tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. So h upon what? D. Can I write? If theta is very, very small, theta is very small, then tan theta is equal to sin theta. Then tan theta is approximately equal to sin theta is equal to what? H by D. Yes or no? So here theta is nothing but what? Angle of banking. Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Next topic. Next application, no topic on the banking. Write down turning on a bank road. Right? Banking is compulsory during turning.
The easy turning.
Why?
Easy turning.
Actually, have you observed during turning?
Yes.
Due to centrifugal force, when you seated in a car, your body will move in outward direction. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means if car is moving and during turning, your body is moving in outward direction. Means more force is acting in outward direction. So there is chances of slipping towards the out hand side.
Yes.
But if you have banked the road and you are taking turning, so in that situation, your more outward force will be balanced.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And safely that vehicle can move on a circular track. Yes or no? So situation is what? Turning on a bank road. Consider an object or a vehicle is moving on turning on a bank road, right? Vehicle having mass m, mg will act in downward direction. Yes or no?
Yes.
What about normal reaction? Perpendicular to surface in this direction. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So mg will balanced by which force? Extend this line. Angle is theta. This angle is also theta.
Yeah.
Take component of mg. So this side you can write mg cos theta. Yes or no? Mg cos theta. And perpendicular to mg cos theta, you can write component of mg sin theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
Mg cos theta, mg sin theta. What about normal reaction? Mg will balanced by n cos theta. angle is theta. So this angle is also theta. So take component. So n cos theta will balance mg. Yes or no?
Yes.
And n sin theta is perpendicular to n cos theta. So in this situation, n sin theta is acting in the direction of radius vector. Note, radius vector is away from center, means towards the center. You can say this is nothing but centripetal force.
Okay.
Because of circular track, n sin theta is force acting towards the center. And that force is nothing but what? Centripetal force. So write down centripetal force mv square upon r is equal to what? N sin theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
Equation number 1. And another equation, balance vertical force.
Yes.
So mg
Equal to
n
cos
theta. Trigonometric part is right hand side.
Yes.
So write down n cos theta in right hand side. So mg is equal to n cos theta. Write down mg is equal to n cos theta. Equation number, right? Mass cancel. यहाँ लिख दो पहले. Write down. Divide equation 1 by 2. Mass cancel. Normal reaction cancel. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. V square upon RG. V square upon RG is equal to tan theta. Hence, V square is equal to RG tan theta. Right? Hence, V is equal to G tan theta. Right? Yes. This is safer speed. Safer speed. Yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Note down. Note down. Note down. Next one. This is the safer speed.
Okay.
You can increase this speed and you can decrease this speed. Yes or no?
Yes.
So just consider situation number 1. This one. Maximum speed for safe turning.
Yeah.
Maximum speed for turning. Maximum speed for safe turning. So just consider whatever velocity that is maximum, means just consider v is maximum speed, so that a speed should be greater than safe speed. Yes or no?
Yes.
What you are saying कि case number 1, suppose your speed is maximum than safe speed, so v is your maximum speed, so your maximum speed should be greater than rg tan theta, root rg tan theta, so v should be greater than what? Root
Tan theta.
rg tan theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
Just consider here, if you are increasing the velocity, centripetal force is what? mv square upon r.
Yes.
Means if you are increasing the velocity, means your centripetal force will also increase.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Your centripetal force will also increase. So means centripetal force is nothing but what? N sin theta. Means in case of maximum speed limit, n sin theta will increase. Yes or no?
Yes.
N sin theta will increase. So we will go through a diagram and we will learn how n sin theta will increase. Okay. Look here. Second. Just I am copying. We have to do some modification in this diagram. That's why I am taking this diagram. Putting listen. So your velocity should be greater than root rg tan theta. Means n sin theta should be greater. So a friction force will act in downward direction. Listen carefully. In case of maximum speed limit, in case of maximum speed limit, your friction force will act in downward direction. So consider friction force is acting in downward direction. This is the friction force. Yes or no?
Yes.
So angle between friction force and normal n sin theta is nothing but what? Theta. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because this is horizontal line. This is also horizontal line. So angle is what?
Theta.
Theta. So take component of friction force. So one component is nothing but what? One component is Fr cos theta. And another one component is vertically downward. Fr sin theta. Yes or no? So now centripetal force has increased. Previously centripetal force was n sin theta. But now centripetal force is n sin theta plus Fr cos theta. Is it clear?
Sir.
So write down, in this case, centripetal force mv square upon r is equal simplify mv square upon r is equal to n sin theta plus friction force is nothing but what? Mu n into what? Cos theta. Very good. Equation number 1. Second trick,
have to balance the
vertical force.
vertical force.
So n cos theta is equal to what?
mg
Plus
r
sin theta.
sin theta. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Two forces are acting in downward direction
Okay.
in case of maximum speed limit.
Okay.
So mg is equal to fr sin theta. So mg plus fr sin theta is equal to n cos theta. N cos theta. Listen carefully. All trigonometric functions are in right hand side.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So take this trigonometric function in right hand side.
Okay.
What you can write?
mg
mg plus is equal to
is equal to okay.
n cos theta
To change that become
n cos theta minus fr sin theta. And fr is nothing but what? Mu into n. So you can write mu into n
sin theta.
sin theta. Very good. Equation number 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now divide equation. Divide equation 1 by 2. Mass e square upon rg. V square upon rg is equal to, this V is maximum speed, is equal to, take n common, to n common sin theta plus cos theta or mu cos theta. Right, very good. Upon n cos theta minus mu sin theta. Cos theta minus mu sin theta. Right? Cancel n. What you are getting? E square upon r is equal to, divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta plus mu, because cos theta by cos theta 1. Again in denominator, cos theta by cos theta 1. Right? Minus mu sin theta, mu tan theta. Yes or no? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. You have to calculate maximum velocity. So V max. So V square is equal to what? Rg into tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta. Hence max Rg into tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta. Yes or no? Yes. So this is your maximum speed limit. Or maximum safe speed during turning on banking of road. Yes or no? What about minimum speed for safe turning? We will learn minimum speed for safe turning. H2. Minimum speed for safe turning. Speed for safe turning. Listen, minimum speed for safe turning means your safe speed should be less than root RG tan theta. Yes or no? This is your homework. Okay. What you have to do? Your safe speed should be less than root RG tan theta. Means here you have written V should be greater. So your symbol should be less than root RG tan theta. Means your n sin theta should be less than centripetal force. Matlab this is nothing but what? Centripetal force. So your centripetal should be less. So means a force opposite to n sin theta should be acting there.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So now you have taken friction force in downward direction. So in case of minimum safe speed, you have to take friction force in upward direction.
Yeah.
So when you will take in upward direction, right? And if you will extend this line, angle will be theta, right? So component of friction force in horizontal direction is equal to Fr cos theta, and in vertical direction Fr sin theta. So n sin theta, n sin theta minus what? Fr cos theta. So n sin theta minus Fr cos theta is equal to centripetal force. N sin theta minus Fr cos theta is equal to centripetal force. And mg is equal to n cos theta plus Fr sin theta.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So you have to take two equations. And after solving, what you will get? Here you are getting V maximum. So your result will be V minimum and is equal to root under RG tan theta minus mu. This positive sign will be replaced by negative upon 1 minus plus. So 1 plus mu tan theta.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, yes, sir. This one will upward and
Right.
one will
When you will take in, listen, when you will take in upward direction, right? Friction force.
Yes.
Right? So in horizontal direction, angle is theta.
Yes.
Fr
Cos theta.
Fr
Sin theta.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So n sin theta minus Fr cos theta, and this side Fr sin theta.
Okay.
So n cos theta plus Fr
sin theta.
Understood?
Okay, I got it. Can you share this video?
Yes. Why not? We will continue